Empowering people to create and communicate has always been core to Adobe's mission of changing the world through digital experiences.
Our product team is thrilled to present Creative Cloud Express.
While the web has been an incredible medium for sharing, it's rapidly becoming a powerful platform for creation. More importantly, it's the start of a brand new journey to onboard first-time creators.
We are living in an era where every business, passion project, and movement will only be as successful as its content. Join us in building not just this app, but a community of creators that make creativity accessible to everyone.
So please tell us what you like about Creative Cloud Express and what we can improve, because today is just the starting line. We're continually improving Creative Cloud Express, and we can't wait to get started on this journey with all of you.